Hi guys, welcome back to Mama Doll Boss. My name is Tracell. I am an adult doll collector and I do love all things 1/6 scale. Today we are checking out some mini brands. So stand by while I get the capsules and we're going to compare to see if they're a good fit for our dolls. So I do have these mini brands capsules from ULTA. I did do a short about it to let you know exactly how you're able to get these capsules. I did get 10% cash back when I bought them since they were not on sale. Typically new products are not. So I'm going to open it up and see what we get. So here is the collector's guide, and we have Dry Bar, Elf, Good Molecules, Monday, NYX, OPI, is that Oi? I'm not sure, I've never heard of that brand. And then we have Redken, Shea Moisture, Supergoop, Tarte, Truly, Urban Decay, and then there are some Frozen Moments which are pretty cool. So the capsules were $9.99. Usually it says how many we're going to collect. It does not say that here. So we do get 5 bags. So in the first bag, we get some Tarte Shape Tape. I actually have this. It's a really good concealer, but it is a bit overkill for our dolls. Here is the nail polish in comparison to the Tarte Shape Tape. It is a bit overkill. It does open, which is really a good feature. I do like that. I mean, but I guess we could get away with it because we can just put it on the vanity. In the next bag we have this brand here. I think it's called Oi. I'm not really sure. I've never heard of it. But this is a pretty good little bottle, and let me see. This is scalp serum. Okay. We have an elf sponge. This is super cute. And you can actually open it up and take the sponge out. This is adorable. Oh my God, it's a real sponge. It's a real sponge. This is so cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love that. And I'm sorry, my nails are not done. I do my own nails and I use acrylic and I'm letting them breathe. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my nails, let me know. I'm gonna do a short and see if anybody is interested. Because if I can do it, anybody can do it, like seriously. So yeah, this is adorable. Ooh, some Shea Moisture. This is awesome. I use Shea Moisture. I love their products because you can get them on sale at Target and Walgreens. I do couponing. Like, I'm always trying to save money and I love this. It's like when this goes on sale with a coupon deal, I'm on it. This is a great little product and it is a pretty good scale for our dolls. I mean, it is kind of big, but you can get away with it in my opinion. In our last bag, we get OPI nail polish. This is huge. It does open, which is a really good, but it's huge. Now my Froggy stuff, I watched her tutorial and she turned these into vases so you could just paint over it. Seriously, dude, My dog is in the background, want to play with his loud toy now that I'm doing my video. Okay, but yeah, this is completely like overscaled. So I'm gonna put this over here because yeah, it's just way too large. And I already have nail polish up here, so I'm not even mad. And we can take the bags. I'm gonna use a badge, little hole punch is what people use or companies use for badges, and just take a little hole punch so we can make a little bag right here. I guess I should trim it up. I didn't cut it all the way super neat. And now the dolls can have a little bag with ULTA on it, which is super cool. Love it. Got this from my Froggy Stuff too. She's so awesome. I love this idea. Super easy too. Let's open up our next capsule. I only got 3 because they weren't on sale, even though that cash back is good. I need a sale price, like seriously, before I like go like crazy. That's when I go crazy, when I get a sale price. And I'm using my nail tool because yeah, I'm not good at opening this plastic, but the nail tool makes me seem like an expert. Redken. This is really cute. I love like all the little details here. This one, the Redken soft shampoo, all soft shampoo. Okay. We have a Tarte palette. Does it open? Oh, it does. Oh my goodness, it opens. This is so beautiful. I don't have this palette. I did want to get it. I ended up getting one by Morphe that was similar to this, but this is so pretty. It looks just like the actual palette. Like, I love this. This is adorable. I knew I was gonna be excited about this since I do like doing my makeup and stuff like that, and I do shop at C.F.R and ULTA. Like, I did make me a C.F.R shopping bag because I shop there a lot. And Macy's too. They have that MAC section, but I digress. Oh, look, I got a flat iron by the Trespass. I think this is by Tresemme. This is so freaking awesome. Like, yeah, and it opens. Look how sleek this looks. It doesn't open or anything, but this is adorable. I love this. And it is a great size with a doll. So this is super cool. I love this. The packaging is just, it's like easy to open, and oh my goodness, I love this. It's so sleek. Like, okay. I have a little shelf over here, so I'm going to put this over here with the humongous nail polish. That, I would say that's the only thing I don't want is the nail polish, since it is overscale. So for me, ooh, and this is Super Goop Play. This is adorable. Look at these details. Like, okay, I'm living for these capsules. Like, I'm loving everything. Everything is so well made, and it looks just like it would look in the store. Like, I'm super duper happy about it. So let's see what we get in. I think, did I open? Yeah. And we have some more that brand I can't enunciate. I hate that, but it looks like some spray serum. So really good stuff. The dolls have a lot of nice products so they can take care of their hair. And now I could just put my shopping bag over here with the rest of the shopping bags. Although, see, that it doesn't stand up, so I'm gonna have to, like, proper placement. That's what we'll call it. Oh, it went by so fast. Like, I love these capsules. And I'm not sure if they're only being sold at ULTA. Hopefully they have a sale on them, and I can really, because I would love to get some more, because I'm loving these capsules. I'm not gonna even lie. Like, I'm super everything. Like, I've loved it. It's awesome. So this is my final capsule for the day, because it's no telling. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get some more of these because I actually love it. I just want them to go on sale. What is this? The words are so small, and I think, oh wait, it's right here. This is Good Minerals. Oh, okay. I love it. It is kind of big for a doll, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I love it. Oh, and I got a double. I was gonna be so excited if I didn't get any doubles, but I mean, I'm pleasantly surprised, truthfully, by these capsules. I'm not gonna even kid, so hopefully we don't get another double, but I'm not even mad at it because I'm loving all of the little miniatures here. They're so cute. And is this whole? No, this is, I thought I got another double, but this is a different one. It's from the brand. So I got the Play Body Sunscreen Mist by Supergoop. Caffeine energizing hydrogel eye patches. I actually want to try that for myself, like, truthfully. The detox shampoo, and then yeah, 2 more bags to go. Got some NYX fat oil. Okay, I actually buy NYX products, but I've never heard of that. But it's not like I'm the guru when it comes to products, let's be clear. And I'm pretty much the kind of person that sticks to a certain brand that I'm comfortable with. Like, if they would have had MAC products on here, I would have been like, I know all about these. And my last one is this Cocoa Cloud Liquid by Truly. So this is adorable. So I went to California for my vacation, and I went to Ross and I got this beauty here. She was $8, $7.99, and I was able to get the sticker off so I could take a picture and I did a short about this, so I could make my dolls a box of her, so my dolls will have a doll of this. So yeah, I'm gonna open her up today. And she is Barbie Extra number 9. Here's the back of the box because I know I'm gonna destroy it. So she does come with these sunglasses. She has a lollipop. And I think this is a plushie because who has a pet alligator? But what do I know? And then his teeth have sweet, so that's cute. So out of the packaging, she is so freaking cute. I love her face sculpt. She's the one with the dimples. I love her. And her screening is really, really clean. I love her. She's a curvy and she is flat-footed. She has 5 little barrettes in her hair, these silver earrings with stars. I wish they would have had a metallic finish. And her hair has this to the side with shaved right here on the sides, which is a really cute hairstyle with the little cute 5 barrettes, pearls, different. One says love, little stars. And I love her little tulle little jacket. And she has a piano purse, or keyboard purse I should say. So she does have the flat feet here, and she comes with these platform tennis shoes. She is wearing a cute little silver bracelet, and she has a dress on here that says shine bright like the stars. It does Velcro in the back, and the t-shirt is a separate piece, which is a really great feature. Here's how she looks with her glasses on, and she's too cute. I love her face sculpt. She's so pretty. She is a Barbie extra doll, so she is going to have articulation. She can move side to side, up and down, and she can move at the shoulder, the elbow. She has an elbow, a single elbow joint. She has movement at the wrist, and she can bend at the knee. So if you did enjoy the video, please give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for rocking with me. And until the next time, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.